Dating is hard, and finding a man who you like can be even harder. If you're looking for dating advice specifically for women, we've got 15 tips that will make him love you. We'll show you how to get his attention with these easy steps. You'll learn how to flirt with confidence, what to wear on your first date, and more. Hello and welcome to Success Lab, the YouTube channel dedicated to helping you improve your everyday life. Let's not waste any more time and get started on our road to captivating men. 1. Self-acceptance. It may appear to be straightforward, but it's far more difficult in practice. Many women have difficulties accepting themselves and projecting their genuine selves into the world. They're constantly tormenting themselves with self-deprecating remarks and avoiding things they enjoy because society has told them that doing so is wrong or improper for a woman. This prevents them from projecting a positive self-image and is ultimately unattractive to men. To project a positive and attractive image, you need to accept yourself and be confident in your own skin. You need to feel comfortable doing what makes you happy. Whether it's playing video games, watching anime, reading manga, or even drawing. Accept yourself for who you are. If you feel comfortable being a tomboy, own it. Just remember to always dress well and to take care of your hygiene. 2. Positive body language. Another huge obstacle that many women face is hiding their negative body language. Any man will pick up on this instantly, even if she's beautiful otherwise. Projecting a positive image is crucial to getting a man to love you, and that can be difficult if you're constantly pulling a face or hiding your body. To avoid negative body language, smile. Even when things get tough, remember to smile. If nothing else works out for today, at least smile. Another tip is to lift your chin a bit and look ahead. This will make you seem more confident and positive. Men love women who look like women, and this will make it much easier for them to fall in love with you. Men are very visual creatures, and so if you look your best, they'll be attracted to you. Try being a little more feminine and see how it goes. 3. Develop your sense of fashion. A lot of women resort to wearing sweatpants, Uggs boots, and baggy t-shirts around the house because they're comfortable. While this may be okay for lounging around at home, it's not very flattering when going out in public. Some women develop a good sense of fashion while others struggle to even put on a decent outfit. If this sounds like you, make an effort to develop your sense of fashion by looking at clothes that might suit you and then trying them on. It's easy to go wrong with fashion, but the benefits of taking your time to look your best are well worth it. 4. Be witty, but don't flirt too much. Many women make the mistake of flirting with every man that she meets. While a little bit of flirting is fine and even expected in many cases, too much can come off as desperate or needy. Be witty and know when to leave well enough alone. If a guy shows interest in you, then that's your cue to flirt back. If not, then don't push it. Just be yourself and eventually someone will find you interesting enough to start a conversation with. 5. Play up your feminine traits. The goal of projecting a positive image is to make yourself look as attractive as possible. While some women might consider this a moot point, others will benefit from playing up their more feminine traits. This includes wearing pretty dresses and skirts on occasion, putting on some light makeup, and wearing their hair done up nicely. 6. Stop with the nagging. Ever encountered a woman who never seemed to stop nagging? Women will often complain about men's habits or characteristics that she thinks makes them bad partners. While sometimes the criticism might have some merit, women simply need to stop with the nagging. It's all too easy for a man to plug his ears and ignore your complaints when you're constantly telling him what he's doing wrong. Most men don't want to hear about everything that bothers you. They'd rather fix it or forget about it entirely. If you're unhappy, try to explain this in a more gentle way. 7. Don't be too available. If you want to make him love you, it's important not to be too available at first. Men like the thrill of the chase, and if you give yourself up on the first date, they won't see much appeal in you. Don't overdo it, but make him work a little bit if you want to make him love you. 8. Be gentle and kind. Once you get the man's attention, be gentle and kind. Once again, men like pursuing women who are slightly out of their league. This characteristic will certainly give you an edge over other women. Don't be too forward when trying to win over your man, but rather take a gentle approach when you're trying to make him love you. Men are attracted to women who are kind and caring, so these are positive qualities that will definitely help. 9. Make him feel good about himself. When you make your man feel good about himself, he'll be more willing to love you. Compliment him often on the things he does well. If you find yourself criticizing his decisions or criticizing him in general, stop immediately. Men want women who are good listeners and make them feel good about themselves. This is what will make a man fall completely in love with you. 10. Have fun with him. Don't forget to have fun with your man. If he's an active person who likes to go out for a run or play a game of basketball, make sure you reinitiate the activities. Make going for a walk in the park appeal to you and not something you try to avoid. If he's more of an indoor person, find some activities that you can enjoy doing together. A good movie night or marathon session of your favorite show will be open to new experiences. Make sure you are willing to try new things with your man. Whether you're the adventurous type or more of a homebody, make an effort to do at least one new thing per week. When it comes to dating advice for women, this is certainly one of the most important tips. If you show him that you are likely to be open to new experiences, he'll fall in love with you for this. Men like women who are open-minded and willing to try something new. This positive trait will make him feel good about himself around you, since he'll know that you're always up for an adventure. 12. Make sure you have your own life. On occasion, you might find yourself at a loss for things to do with your guy. When this happens, make sure you have your own life outside of him. Keep your friends close and spend some time doing the things that make you happy. This will also give him space when he needs it, something most men are looking for in a relationship. Don't make him think that he's your entire life. This will only cause problems in the long run. Make sure you have your own interests and friends, and your man will love you all the more for it. 13. Don't be afraid to stand up for yourself. If your guy crosses a line and talks to you in a way that makes you uncomfortable, don't sit back and take it. Be strong and stand up for yourself. Men like women who are confident and don't let anybody walk all over them. These characteristics will make him go crazy for you. If you don't like the way he talks to you, make sure you stand up for yourself and set your boundaries. 14. Make him feel like he can be himself around you. Men like women who don't judge them when they're being themselves. Don't worry about the minor details, whether he likes his hair a certain way or if he has a little bit of stubble on his face. Don't try to change your man. Let him know that you love him just the way he is. If you want to be loved by your man, make sure you always let him be himself around you. 15. Don't chase him. Last but certainly not least, don't ever chase after your guy. When it comes to making him love you, this will only do the opposite of what you're trying to accomplish. Forcing him to like you won't work. It will only make him run in the opposite direction. Instead, let your man chase after you. If you make him work for your love and affection, he'll start to appreciate all of the wonderful things you do for him, and without expecting anything in return. Men like the thrill of the chase, so make him work for your heart. Men love being with a woman who makes them feel special and appreciated. These will be the characteristics that have him falling head over heels in love with you. There are many dating tips for women to make a man love them. The 15 tips we've provided should help you on your quest, but keep in mind that what works for one woman may not work as well for another. Rather than trying too hard and doing everything at once, focus on implementing just one or two of the neuroscience-backed principles into your strategy until they become habituated. Then add more. Do the techniques demonstrated in the video feel right to you? What is your favorite strategy for catching a guy's attention? Leave a comment below and let us know what yours is. Thank you for watching this video and good luck to you.